Our Earth, a blue oasis in the vastness of space, a beacon of life in the cosmic void, a planet teeming with life, a kaleidoscope of diverse ecosystems, each contributing to the intricate web of existence. From the icy poles to the lush rainforests, life thrives in every corner, adapting to the unique conditions of each environment. But what makes Earth so special, so uniquely capable of supporting such a variety of life forms? What allows our planet to support such an abundance of living things, from the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals? The answer lies in a delicate balance of factors, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the conditions necessary for life. Earth's perfect distance from the Sun provides just the right amount of heat and light, creating a habitable zone where life can flourish. Our atmosphere, a shield against harmful radiation, nurtures life with essential gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. And water, the lifeblood of our planet, flows freely, shaping landscapes and sustaining all living things, from the smallest plants to the largest animals. These unique circumstances make Earth a rare gem in the cosmos, a sanctuary for life in an otherwise hostile universe. As far as we know, it's the only planet in our solar system and perhaps in the universe that can support life as we know it, making it incredibly special. This realization fills us with awe and a profound sense of responsibility, urging us to protect and cherish our home. We are custodians of this precious planet, entrusted with its care for generations to come, a duty we must take seriously. Let us explore the wonders of Earth, delve into its history, and understand the challenges it faces so we can better protect it. For only by comprehending its complexities can we truly appreciate its fragility and strive to protect it, ensuring its beauty and vitality for future generations. Billions of years ago, our solar system was a swirling cloud of gas and dust. Gravity, the architect of the universe, gradually pulled these particles together. Over eons, this cosmic dance formed the Sun at the center, its immense gravity drawing in more and more matter. Around the young Sun, smaller clumps of dust and gas began to coalesce. These clumps collided and stuck together, growing larger over time. One such clump, destined to become our home, was bombarded by asteroids and comets, adding to its growing mass. As Earth grew, its gravity increased, pulling in even more debris. This constant bombardment generated immense heat, melting the young planet's core. Heavier elements like iron and nickel sank towards the center, while lighter elements like silicon and oxygen rose to the surface. Over millions of years, the Earth cooled and solidified, its surface transforming from a molten sea to a hardened crust. This dramatic birth, a fiery spectacle of cosmic proportions, laid the foundation for the planet we know and love today. Imagine slicing through the Earth like an apple, revealing its hidden secrets. You discover that our planet is not a solid mass, but rather a series of distinct layers, each with its unique composition and properties working together in harmony.
At the heart of our planet lies the core, a sphere of iron and nickel, essential to Earth's magnetic field. The inner core is solid, crushed under unimaginable pressure, reaching temperatures as hot as the surface of the Sun, while the outer core remains liquid, swirling around the solid center, generating our planet's magnetic field. Surrounding the core is the mantle, a thick layer of hot, dense rock, making up the majority of Earth's volume. The mantle behaves like a viscous fluid over very long periods, driving the movement of tectonic plates and influencing volcanic activity. These plates, giant rafts of Earth's crust, constantly shift and grind against each other, causing earthquakes, volcanoes, and the formation of mountains, reshaping our world. The outermost layer, the one we call home, is the crust, a thin veneer over the dynamic interior. This thin, rocky shell is divided into continental crust, which forms the land masses we live on, and oceanic crust, which lies beneath the oceans, supporting marine life and underwater landscapes. Though seemingly solid, the crust is dynamic, constantly sculpted by the forces of erosion, weathering, and tectonic activity, ever-changing.
Together, these layers form a complex and interconnected system, regulating our planet's temperature, magnetic field, and geological activity, ensuring Earth's stability. Understanding these layers is crucial to comprehending the forces that shape our planet and the delicate balance that sustains life, highlighting the intricate beauty of Earth's design. Enveloping our planet is a life-giving veil, the atmosphere a protective shield that sustains all forms of life. This delicate layer of gases, composed primarily of nitrogen and oxygen, held in place by Earth's gravity, ensures that we have the right conditions for life. It is essential for life as we know it, providing the air we breathe and the weather we experience.
The atmosphere protects us from the sun's harmful radiation, regulates our planet's temperature, and provides the air we breathe, which is vital for all living organisms. The atmosphere is composed of several layers, each playing a unique role in maintaining Earth's balance. Each layer has its own unique characteristics, contributing to the overall stability of our environment. The troposphere, the layer closest to Earth's surface, is where weather occurs, influencing our daily lives. Above the troposphere lies the stratosphere, a calmer layer where jets fly and weather is more stable. It is home to the ozone layer, which is crucial for absorbing harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. This absorption protects living organisms from the sun's damaging rays, making life on Earth possible. Higher still are the mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere, each with decreasing air density. In these layers, the air gradually thins out into the vacuum of space, marking the boundary of our atmosphere. Within these layers, auroras shimmer, meteors burn up, creating spectacular natural displays, and satellites orbit our planet, providing us with vital data and communication. The atmosphere is a dynamic system, constantly interacting with the land, oceans, and living things, creating a complex web of interactions. It plays a vital role in the water cycle, transporting moisture around the globe and shaping our planet's climate, influencing weather patterns and ecosystems. Without this protective blanket of air, Earth would be a barren and hostile world. The atmosphere's presence is what makes Earth a habitable planet, teeming with life. Without this protective blanket of air, Earth would be a barren and hostile world. Earth would be a barren and hostile world, much like Mars or the Moon.
Indeed, the atmosphere is a crucial component of our planet's ability to sustain life, providing the conditions necessary for survival. Understanding its complexities helps us appreciate its importance and the need to protect it, ensuring a healthy future for generations to come. Section 5. A tapestry of life. From the highest mountain peaks to the deepest ocean trenches, life thrives in a dazzling array of forms. Each environment on Earth has its unique set of characteristics, shaping the evolution of life within its boundaries. We call these diverse environments ecosystems.
Forests, the lungs of our planet, cover vast swathes of land, providing oxygen, regulating climate, and supporting countless species. Oceans, teeming with life, cover over 70% of Earth's surface, influencing weather patterns, absorbing carbon dioxide, and providing food and livelihoods for billions. Deserts, often perceived as barren wastelands, are in fact vibrant ecosystems, home to unique plants and animals adapted to survive in harsh conditions. Grasslands, vast stretches of open terrain, support large herds of grazing animals and play a crucial role in carbon storage. Polar regions, covered in ice and snow, are home to iconic species like polar bears, penguins, and seals, and play a critical role in regulating Earth's climate. These ecosystems, interconnected and interdependent, create a delicate web of life that sustains us all.
Section 6. Earth in peril. Our planet, once seemingly limitless in its bounty, is facing unprecedented challenges.
Human activities, driven by consumption and a disregard for the natural world, are pushing Earth systems to their limits. Climate change, the most pressing issue of our time, is causing global temperatures to rise at an alarming rate. Deforestation, driven by agriculture and logging, is stripping Earth of its vital forests, releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and destroying habitats. Pollution, in its many forms, contaminates our air, water, and soil, harming wildlife and threatening human health. Biodiversity loss, the extinction of species at an unprecedented rate, weakens ecosystems and makes them more vulnerable to collapse. Water scarcity, driven by overuse and pollution, threatens agriculture, industry, and human health. These interconnected challenges, if left unaddressed, threaten the delicate balance of our planet and the future of life as we know it.
Section 7, a sustainable future. The challenges we face are daunting but not insurmountable.
We have the knowledge, the technology, and the resources to chart a more sustainable path forward. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydro is crucial to reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigating climate change. Investing in conservation efforts, protecting forests, restoring degraded ecosystems, and creating marine reserves is essential to safeguarding biodiversity and preserving ecosystem services.
Reducing waste, embracing circular economy principles, and promoting sustainable consumption patterns are crucial to minimising our environmental footprint. Climate action requires global cooperation, bold policies, and individual commitment to reducing our carbon emissions. Education is paramount, empowering future generations with the knowledge and values to live in harmony with nature. We must act now with urgency and determination to create a sustainable future for all.
Section 8, our shared responsibility. Our planet, a pale blue dot suspended in the vastness of space, is the only home we know. It is a privilege and a responsibility to inhabit this precious Earth.